Hi, in this video, I will show you how to sign up for an account and sign in to the MyLobby hoteling app. Then, I will show you how to navigate around the MyLobby hoteling app back end. Let's start with signing up for an account. On the home page, click on the Sign Up button. Populate the fields on the Sign Up page, then click Sign Up. An email will be sent to the email address you used when you signed up. Open your email and open the one you received from MyLobby. It will look like this. Take note of the site ID. Once you have secured the site ID, go back to the hoteling app on your phone. Make sure you are on the home page so you may now log in. To do that, enter the email address and password you used when you signed up. Then, under the site ID field, enter the site ID you took note of from the previous step. Click on the one-time link that is provided in the email. You may only activate this link once. You will then be brought to this MyLobby hoteling app back-end site. On the homepage of this site, log in using the same credentials you used when you signed up on the MyLobby hoteling app on your phone. Let me show you how to navigate through the back end. Go back to your computer and open the MyLobby back end. You can do that by clicking on the link that you received via email earlier when you first signed up. Sign in using your credentials. So once you're signed in, you will see the Dashboard Reservation tab. This is where you will find all the reservations done by you or your team or fellow employees. As the admin, you will be able to edit their booking details, check the people they invited to their bookings, when they signed in, the duration of their stay, and etc. The admin will also have the ability to start or sign in the employee to their booking. However, if an employee does not show up to their booking, after 15 minutes, their reserved spot will automatically go back to inventory and it will be available for others to book. Now let's go to Address Book. This section will allow you to import employees or staff in bulk or individually into the system. To import in bulk, click Import. To import individually, click Add Staff. This section will allow you to view employee details, set up their credentials, set their roles, and many more. Under Add Rooms Desks section is where you can import or add the rooms in your building. You will see here that you already have sample desks and rooms here that we provided for you. To edit a room, office, or desk, click on this pen icon. To add a room, office, or desk, click this button right here. To add a floor plan, click Add Floor Plans. In here, you will also see that we have sample floor plans ready for you to test out. Once you have your own floor plan, this is where you can upload them. Now, to filter room, desks, or offices, click this filter icon right here. You can choose to filter them based on the name, site, floor, room category, or based on the type. For site configuration, this is where you can add your different sites as well as edit your company logo, information, and other details such as your time zone, preferred app language, and address. For license, this is where you can enter the license code to activate your hoteling app. Once your free trial expires and you want to continue using the MyLobby hoteling app, you will be given a license code after your purchase, and this is where you will enter the code. Now, if you want to log out, click on the ellipsis at the top here and from the list, select Log Out. So that is everything you need to know about the MyLobby hoteling app back end. If you have any questions or concerns that were not addressed in this video, send us a message on our website www.mylobby.co. Thanks for watching.